Hola chicas, welcome to week 4, la semana cuatro for distance learning. You guys have been doing such an excellent job and I sure do miss seeing your faces. I really look forward to seeing you all again next year and I'm sorry that this year has been cut so short, but nonetheless, as for this week, here's what's on the agenda. It's going to look really similar to last week because there are so many options in this extra fun Padlet. You could probably spend the next year getting through all of the resources on there. So pick something new, share it on our shared Padlet, and then also this week on the Padlet, let me know which two of these activities. So this is going to look a little bit different between 5th and 6th grade. You have slightly different options, but you each are going to choose two and then put it on the Padlet in the end. So anyway, I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Again, I really wish I were seeing you face to face. Please don't hesitate to reach out to me if you have any questions. I'm here for you and would love to chat. So, que tenga un buen fin de semana. Have a great weekend.